Hey guys, my name is Hannah. Thank you for clicking on this video today. I'm going to be showing you a tour of my room. We just moved into this new apartment and it's been really fun to decorate, and it's definitely the most organized it's going to be. So I'll just show you around today. So first, when you walk in, I just have this nice like fuzzy rug. I didn't know if carpet on carpet was weird, but it's just really soft, so I decided to keep it for my last room. And this is a mirror that I also had in my last apartment. It's really nice and tall, which I like. And I hung these little like string lights around it. And this little hanging plant. I feel like hanging plants are one of my favorite ways to decorate a space. Over here, I'm not sure I'm keeping this in here right now, but it's a beanbag chair. It's just kind of a little big for this space, but it's super cozy. And as you can see, I love decorating with white and light colored things. So these are my two little Disney stuffed animals. An Eeyore. It's weighted, so it's like 3 pounds. It's nice. I don't know why I like that, but and then I have a little Groot doll. And then right here is my closet. It actually holds like everything I need it to. I do have a lot of stuff. So except for this shirt right here, because I'm kind of trying to dry it, I like to color organize my closet. I feel like it just is so nice to look at. I don't know if it's better than organizing by what the item is. That might be easier, but this is just like really appealing to the eye, I think. So here's this side of my closet. I have red to pink, yellow, green, blue, and the extra hangers over there. I always use the velvet hangers. I just feel like they look better. And then at the top of the closet I have a lot of shoes. So these are my boots. These are just my cowboy boots. I have black ones and white ones. Black regular boots, brown cowboy boots, and then my big tall platform docks. Those are big ones. I don't really wear those too often. And then it has another shelf, which another pair of boots that I don't really wear. A little step stool because I cannot reach the top of that. A box of, I think in there is like sweatshirts that I don't wear as much because I have a lot of sweatshirts that I hang also. My Easter basket with candy still in it that I need to eat. A bag, or a box of bags, so it's like all my backpacks and purses that I'm not using frequently, and then another tote bag over there. This side of the closet, so this is the whites and the blacks. They take up half the closet because this is typically the color I wear. So if you could see it all together, it would look really nice, the color alignment. But yeah, this is all white stuff. Up here, this I think is just a bin of like books or something I have. I try to keep it somewhat organized by category, but keeping things in bins has just been super helpful for me. Because there's just things that are just like loose like that. Another tote bag, my water bottle, and then this was like from when I got the Taylor Swift Wonderstruck perfume in like 8th grade. But this box is super pretty actually. It's all purple and decorated. So I keep like, anytime anyone's ever given me like a note or pictures, I keep in there. So it's kind of like my sentimental box, which is fun to always get to look at. That is the top of the closet. At the bottom, I just have a hamper. And then I have these drawers from Target, which are a little annoying. These ones aren't bad because I don't have a lot in them. So I just try to keep like random things like tank tops. This is like workout clothes. I think this is, yeah, this is bathing suits. And then this one's kind of awkward because it's like right in the middle of the closet. But same thing, like tank tops that I can't hang, more workout bottoms, and then I think workout tops, even though it's really dark so you can't really see. And then at the bottom of this side, these are where they're annoying. So if you put a lot in here, it kind of like puts weight on it, and then it's hard to open the drawers below it. But this one, I keep like shorts, and I think just shorts. So like shorts in there, I try to keep that pretty nicely folded. I honestly don't have a lot of shorts, even though I live in San Diego, so it's kind of funny. And then I literally like can't open this easy. Give it some effort. But this is all my skirts. I have a lot of skirts. They're not super well organized right now, but I do try to fold them in rows and then by color also when I'm being the cleanest, but that is a lot of work to keep it up, especially. And then I can open this one. This is just pajamas that are not organized nicely either. So I need to, maybe I'll do a video of like organizing, because actually this is the only area that really needs it. Over here I have more shoes because I had 2 closets in my last apartment actually. So these just didn't fit in the closet, but I keep my like fun kind of shoes out here, like these dock boots, dock sandals in that row, and then Converse, my platform Converse in this one. So this I just made. It's super easy to put together, so if you don't have enough storage space for shoes, I recommend like a little shoe rack like this. It was only like $10 from Amazon. Here's my nightstand right now. Just a little plant, like a fake plant. I have a lot of fake plants in here. I'm just not very good at keeping real plants alive. I have a little Vaseline chapstick, this little Vaseline like lip therapy thing. I love these. I have them in like every bag that I carry. I have a little like supposed to help with sleep, like lavender essential oil. Sometimes I like rub that on my head and everything, and I really think it does help me relax and go to sleep. This is a little, if anything will focus, this is a little Jimmy Choo perfume, like travel perfume, and I keep it right there because it's just easy, or I keep it in a bag. A little candle, I think that's from like Anthropologie or Urban Outfitters. And then pictures of me and my boyfriend. This is from like a wedding. And then my friend actually bought us this picture frame, so I thought that was really cute. It's at the pumpkin patch. And then this is a little moon. I think this is from Amazon too. And it's like at night when I take my earrings off, I can put it in there. And I keep it all in this little basket that I bet is from Amazon as well, or Home Goods. I actually got this shelf, little nightstand for, on Facebook Marketplace for like $20, so that's why there's some marks on it. It's not the best condition, but it was only $20, so for sure good. There's my work phone. I actually have 2 phones now. Another candle, I bet from TJ Maxx. That's where I get all the little like decorations. TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Some books as decorations. Another fake plant and more books. So yeah, I feel like fake plants, candles, books, all those things just kind of fill the spaces. I don't really like having empty counters and things like that. For my walls, we can't nail, so I am kind of scared to hang up a lot. That's why this shelf isn't the most filled, because it's on a command hook. I'm like, I don't want that to fall in the middle of the night. But basically just a picture frame, little decorative plant, Polaroid, a miniature little Wonderstruck perfume. The decorations of those bottles I think are so cute, so I've always kept them when I got them years and years ago. Another shelf, I don't even know what's on there. Same thing, just candle, little thing I drew. I drew that too. It's just like easy to, I found them on like Pinterest and then I copied them. And I printed these prints out on, I bought them on Etsy. Then I just print them out because it's only like $2. And then you go buy a frame from Target for like $10. So those are like a pretty cheap, cute way, and I always just look up kind of, it matches like the yellowy pinkish aesthetic I'm going for in here. And then a little macrame hanging that I also got from Amazon. Here's my bed. It's just a full size. I got this duvet cover, so it's like a filler and then the duvet cover, and it has the little like ruffles on the end. I just like how the white matches, and I can change the pillows and the white will always be able to match it. So I got this from Amazon for sure. Not sure how much it was. And then these pillows, I don't know, I've had this one for a while, so I don't know, but I know I got this and the yellow and the 2 kind of tan ones from Home Goods. I've also had that one for a while, so I'm not sure where that's from, but probably Home Goods. Anytime I want to go look for pillows, Home Goods like always has the ones that I'm looking for, even though I don't know what I'm looking for. And then just 2 actual pillows. So I have a lot. I definitely like the look of all the pillows, and I only actually sleep with like 3 of them. And then underneath my bed, it does have a lot of storage, and I use it for sure. So in here, it's like a little slidable bin that holds all my shoes. I have a lot of shoes, but I try to keep them like sandals over here, sneakers over here, like heels in the middle. So this is really convenient because if it's in like a bag, like I've seen the under the bed bags, it just like gets so messy and I don't have enough room in my closet. and this just slides pretty nice and easily. I also have my picnic basket, and then a box was just like, yeah, I have a couple of these little floral boxes I think are cute, and they're not super organized in here, but it's like important papers, things, really just like anything that needs to go somewhere not out in the open. Over here is my dresser that's just right next to my bed. I have this mirror that I got from Amazon. I thought it was really cute. It's just like a circle and gold. I really like the gold decorations in here. I got this lamp from Target a while ago. It's kind of messed up now, little marks, but it still works well. So yeah, it was only like $10 too. I love, my favorite scent of candles ever is like vanilla sugary like birthday cake. So I have that. It doesn't look the cutest, but it smells amazing. So that one's mainly for lighting. And then I got this little glass bone flower. I got this picture frame folding from Urban Outfitters a long time ago, and it's cute. There's like 2 sides to it. So I thought that was fun. Another candle from HomeGoods, I think. I like the design of that one a lot. This one I got from HomeGoods, but I'm pretty sure it's like Anthropology, so it has a little nick in it, but I think it's really cool, and I got it for really cheap, and it's like a brand, so that's nice. And I got this jewelry hanging little thing because you can put your earrings and things right, and like a bracelet right on those, and then the necklaces can go up there. And then anything here at the bottom, like this is a little hair clip. Inside the dresser, I try to be really organized. So this is just like underwear drawer, but these little slots, I didn't really know these were a thing, but they're so convenient. So I would totally recommend them. They make it so much easier to put things away. Here is jeans. I try to color organize it to like light to dark and everything, and I'm missing a couple right now and they're getting washed. But there's the jeans. These are like work / fun pants. So I have these cow print pants that I think they're right here. Every time I wear them, people were like compliment me on them. So I have those, and then like butterfly design pants, work pants, leather pants, work, and yeah. So those are like different pants that I might have to wear. In here, this is like pajama sweatpants / fuzzy socks, and then this sock organizer is so nice because you fold them together and then you just pull one right out. And I just used to be so unorganized with socks and things like that, and these slots, this little slot, I got them on Amazon. Just look up like drawer organizers, specifically like socks, and those are just not expensive and super convenient. And I got this dresser, I think also from Target. And you walk right over here, this is my desk. I've had this chair a long time. I think it's also from Amazon. Get a lot of stuff on there. This desk that I built myself, which it's not hard, but I was pretty proud of that I did it. I got also from Amazon. And then it has this nice drawer that I just kind of keep random things. My face sunscreen that I've been starting to wear every day because you don't want to age that face, so that's really nice. And then like makeup remover and random stuff. I have this little weekly planner that like every week you rip one off and it's a new page, and I thought it was really cool, and I got it from Amazon. And I also like, it's like written in calligraphy. If it'll load. Yeah, it's written in calligraphy. It has like habit tracking, which I don't really do, but like to-do lists and just like overall, so that's really convenient. I got these really pretty fake flowers from HomeGoods. I feel like they don't look that fake, so I'm a fan. They're like kind of like silky plants, I think. This little incense, so you just like flip it around and then the oil is on the sticks and it kind of releases a really nice scent. I just think it's like a cool alternative to a candle because I don't want like all my decorations to be candles in here. Same with this print. I got it on Etsy, and I got this frame at Target. I actually can't hang this frame on the wall like easily with a command hook, so I was like, okay, I'll just put it on my desk, but I actually really like how that little corner looks. Another mirror, it's a little dirty, but this is like how I do my makeup on this vanity every day. And here is my like acrylic little makeup holders. This one's just makeup brushes, and this one is like eyelash care, so I use an eyelash serum every night, so it's just like convenient to have it right here. This is not my TV, this is my boyfriend's TV, but he's loaning it to me for the summer, which is really nice. I have more twinkly lights that I kind of arranged around this. This whole stand is from Amazon. It's like really easy to build too. I have this candle with the sunflower on it, which I love, which is also from HomeGoods, and then a little pink one from HomeGoods. I always keep bouquets or flowers that I get from occasions. So this one, I have a thing about catching the bouquet at weddings lately, I guess. I don't know how that's been happening. But this is a friend's wedding that I was in, so I saved the bouquet I caught, which I think looks really like vintage and nice. And then underneath it, I was actually recently given this book, which is like vintage too, and it's like a Vogue book. Let me see if I can open it. But yeah, it's just like fashion about Vogue. So I really like that, and I think it's like, it goes with these flowers really well. So yeah, and then underneath it is my record player that doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, which I got from TJ Maxx for Christmas a couple of years ago. Underneath it is my records. I do kind of have a lot. So I have like all my favorite people really, like Bleachers, Lumineers, Taylor. This is like from like a record store, like a vintage thing. It looks super cool and old though. Probably the coolest part of my new bedroom is that I got the room that has the balcony access. Walk right out and we have our balcony out here. We haven't done a lot with it yet because we didn't have this big of a balcony. This little shelf with our plants we had at the last place. You can see the bay over there, and at night you get to see SeaWorld fireworks, which is so fun. So yeah, that was my room. I'm so excited. I really like how it turned out. As you can see, I'm really like whites and like neutral color decorator. I also really like being super organized. Hopefully this gave you some ideas for organizing and like decorating your room. And I do live in San Diego, like I said, so I'll probably be doing more vlogs on like things I'm doing down here. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!